Hey guys, it's Seda back with another emote set for you guys. Gonna do this video. I'm gonna try to do all these much the same. Walk you through kind of the different sections of the HUD, and then close out the video with a long straight play where you can just kind of watch the emote set go through until I figure out maybe a possibly better way to demo, although I'm not sure there is one. So I just want to show you guys this emote set. This is the BJ set. If you're not sure what that means, please Google it, because I'm going to try to keep this PG. I'm sure you guys are very much going to enjoy listening to me try to keep this PG, but I am going to try. So first things first, please, if you have an emote set already saved in your head, please make a copy of your head or back it up with an emote manager / backup HUD, or type list emotes in local chat and get a printout that way, something to save your current set. When you use these HUDs, they will erase whatever is already in your head. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and toss this guy on. Here's the HUD. I will go ahead and let this play while I explain some things, and then I'll go into a little more detail. So let me just get that started up. This is a BJ set, so her mouth is mostly open in the one position. It's going to cycle the first 10 animations here. The next 5 are going to be optional ones that you can turn on to cycle, or you can just trigger them randomly whenever it suits you. So this set, unlike some others, it's very important what your default animation is. Otherwise, it could look more like she's biting than doing what's intended. Once again, to set your default animation, you're going to select whatever animation you want. I don't care about the eyes so much. I like the default eyes. So I'm just going to select the mouth for number 5. Click Start Animation. That triggers it, and then Set Default. Make sure it turns green. And she should, in a moment, lock on to that position. There we go. So now anytime she's not pulling a face instead of her mouth closing shut, it's going to stay in that open position. So because this is a BJ stance and you don't want her mouth moving a lot, one of the important things is that the eyes change in this set. So you're going to be focused on the eyes here. They're going to be doing various things just to kind of make her look more animated and involved in the process. So as that plays through, you'll see various options coming up. And then because this set has a frozen mouth, you'll notice the bento ears don't react to the expressions. That's because the ear animations are tied to the mouth. So for sets like this, it's very important, if you don't notice the ears moving, cycle your ear AO HUD that comes with the bento ears, and then you'll notice the ears are now starting to wiggle and do their thing. I'm going to turn off these randoms for a moment so I can show you the chat triggers that I built in. Along with the 10 that automatically cycle, there are 5 more that are included. They're optional, so you can either use them for chat triggers if you don't want to come out of local chat, or you can use them during role play, or you can turn them on to cycle with the rest of the cycle and have 15 cycling instead of 10. So you'll notice this one's just sort of, just kind of a more reactive eye. This next one, she's just kind of, her mouth kind of swallows a little bit. The next one is just sort of a placid eye, I guess you could call it. The next one, I believe, is crying. This one's kind of cool. If you look in closely, you can see the eyes kind of water. Let me play that for you again. So the eyes kind of quiver a little bit there. That's a cute one. And then the next one, she's just kind of rolling her eyes. She can't believe she's doing what she's doing. And I'll play that for you one more time because I was moving the camera. So that's kind of that set. As with all the others, I'm going to let this play out for about 2 minutes, so you guys can just kind of see it play all the way through. And you can see the ears are kind of reacting occasionally because of the ear AO. So yeah, I'll let this play through for you guys, and hope you enjoy. Thanks for coming and listening in.